Pay attention to the welding seam right here. It requires stabilization.
Understood. We will address that immediately.
Yeah.
I have documented the coordinates. These are the designated points. Make sure the chalk is clear for the lift operators.
Understood. Right here?
Yes, exactly there.
We utilize these mounting points here for the auxiliary battery system.
Ah, so that is why we reroute the coolant lines first.
Exactly, Eric. This section needs the additional plating before we mount the structure.
Understood. I have the clamps ready.
We proceed as planned.
Hold it steady, just there.
Gut. Clamping it now.
Steady, steady. Watch your side, Klaus. Okay, lower it very gently now.
Check this junction here against the Ford specifications.
It's listed as 12 gauge here, not 14.
All right, note the change, Max.
Check the clearance on the left side there.
Yes, it's tight, but it fits perfectly now.
Voltage steady at 12.1. Load is stable. Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Alignment check, 5 millimeters port side.
Confirmed, Stefan. Tolerance is acceptable.
Set her down, boys. Easy now.
The chassis wiring is complete and fully tested, ready for the mount.
Confirmed. All green on the diagnostic tablet.
Excellent work, gentlemen. Let's proceed with the installation.
Hold it there, perfect. Lars, take it up slowly.
Roger that, Klaus. Lifting now.
Alignment looks correct.
Easy now, keep it steady. Got it, Klaus. Ready to lift. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
The suspension is perfect. Now we move to the electrical systems integration over there.
Yeah, understood. I will start the diagnostics check.
We, Klaus, proceed as planned.
It's flush now.
Good. Hand me the driver.
Smooth operation. The measurements are exact. It is good to go.
We need another 2 millimeters on the lower hinge, Marek. Use the red shim.
Yes, Stefan, it is perfectly aligned now.
Accessing the airway kit now. Space clear by the foot of the bed, Thomas.
Confirmed, Lars. Maneuverability is optimal here.
Guide it slowly through the opening now.
I have it. It's moving freely through the grommet.
Check the alignment on this side, Lars. Make sure it
Look closely at this rear module, Stefan. The rhythm is slightly off on the third flash.
I see it now, Matteo. A minor adjustment is needed.
Final sequence engaged. Check the auxiliary readout.
Data stream is clean. We are good to sign off on this stage.
That is the mark. Stop here.
Perfect positioning. I will start the diagnostics.